Hi guys, my name's Jack. I'm one of the bar supervisors at Harvey's Bar Kitchen, and I know you're desperate to get a cocktail, so I'm going to show you one that's on our menu that you can make at home with us today. I'm going to show you the alcoholic version of it, but if you don't fancy drinking, strip away the alcohol and you've got a lovely mocktail as well. We're going to be making what's called the raspberry lemonade, or in this case, the alcoholic version of it. I'll read off the ingredients and then we'll get going. So you're going to need to begin with, for the alcoholic version of course, a vodka. Now, we always use Dolciana. You can use any normal vodka's fine. You can also use a citrus or a raspberry vodka if you do want. They're the main ingredients in the drink. Lemons, raspberries, some lemonade we're using in this case, or you can use soda. Use whatever you normally prefer your drinks topping off with. And you need a long glass. This is 250ml Collins glass, just something you'd be able to get a spoon in and crush your fruit with. Now normally in the bar I'd be using a bar spoon or a muddler, but just to prove to you guys that you can do this at home really easily, I'll use a spoon. So we're going to start off by dropping a couple of raspberries into our glass. We'll take our spoon and give them a muddle. Spend as much time as you want on this. The more that you get them muddled up, the more raspberry you're going to get into the drink. And then you're going to take your lemons. Now I've prepared these earlier on in true Blue Peter fashion. Give them a muddle as well. Then from there, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of cubed ice, nothing too crazy, just a few bits. And we're going to take sugar syrup. Now this does feature in the drink on the menu, however you don't have to use it. If you do want to use it, I prefer it, I like sweet things. You can get your hands on it from Taste Fine Wines in Almondbury. If not, you can make your own. To make your own, you need 300 grams of caster sugar, 150 ml of water on a low boil. Simply dissolve that in. By the end of it, you'll have about 400 millilitres of sugar syrup. So I'm going to add half a jigger's worth. Now I know a lot of you won't have jiggers at home, so just my advice would be put a little bit less in, be conservative. You can always add more after, it's harder to take away. Just put half a measure of that in. For this one, I'm going to use neutral vodka. One measure. No one's looking. And then from there, I'm going to give that a little stir just to bring all that together. Then you can top your glass up with ice. Again, use as much ice as you want. Top with your lemonade or soda or whatever you're using. And of course, what would it be without a little garnish? And there you go, raspberry lemonade cocktail. And like I say again, if you don't want to be drinking, take away the vodka and you've got a really nice mocktail for the sunny days. Fantastic. Cheers guys.